Hi, I'm Larry from Hagemeister Enterprises. Today we're going to show you how to change the gears on Denso starters. This particular starter is off a John Deere, a conversion starter for a John Deere A 60, 620, and 630. I'm going to show you how to change the gear. We get lots of comments and people calling, hey, I just need to change the gear. How do I do that? So I want to show you an easy way to do that so you can do it yourself. We're going to change this gear from a 40 millimeter gear to a 35 millimeter gear, and it just requires a couple of simple tools I have here. Hose clamp is really essential. Basically pull this shaft out, get that clamp around there. One thing you have to be sure of is get this shaft pulled all the way out as far as you can. This clamp is essential for changing this gear to keep that whole shaft assembly out there. Now the shaft assembly's out. Okay, the clamp has our shaft locked out, and you can see this is springy right here. So we have to hold back on that and tap it around there to get that back. Keep your pressure on. Make sure this clamp, this snap ring is to one side, and it should pry off. Now we can grab a hold of it. Be sure not to lose your parts and hang on to that drive. Here's your washer and your inner spring, very critical. Here's our 35 millimeter gear. The spring has to be in place. Put our collar back on. Hold that. Hold it back while you squeeze your snap ring, and there you go. It all slides on. The drive is springy. This was a tip on changing the gear on the Denso starter on our John Deere conversion starter. Subscribe to our channel if you would, and we'll have some more videos coming your way.